Hello and welcome. Today we are going to explain the wiring diagram and working principle of 4 PIC-101N display meters, each connected to its own potentiometer for RPM indication. This guide is simple and beginner friendly. Tools and components: PIC-101N display meters, a 10 kilo-ohm potentiometers, 230 volt AC supply, connection blocks, diagram software example ePlan, AutoCAD or FreeCAD with image support. Project setup: open your diagram software and start a new project. Double-click the lower corner box of the page to open the folio properties. Enter your project details, author, title, date, and adjust page size as needed. Click OK when done. Add component images. Go to Insert Image and choose your PIC-101N image file from your computer. The image will appear on the page. Right-click, edit image to resize and position as needed. Copy-paste the image to create 4 display meters and align them on the left side. Include connection blocks below each meter for wiring clarity. Add potentiometers. Drag and place one potentiometer next to each display meter. Wiring instructions. Each PIC-101N display meter will be powered by 230 volt AC. Connect L and N to the meter's power terminals. Receive input voltage from its respective potentiometer. Potentiometer to meter connection. G. Ground, terminal 6. Reference, terminal 5. U01, plus 10 volt to the potentiometer supply input. Repeat this setup for each of the 4 meters. Working principle. Each potentiometer adjusts the voltage sent to its meter. The PIC-101N meter reads this voltage and displays a corresponding RPM value. Because U01 provides a stable plus 10 volt reference, the reading is proportional to the potentiometer's position. You can configure the PIC-101N to display RPM values using scaling parameters. Refer to the PIC-101 manual for detailed setup of input range, display resolution, decimal point placement. You now have a fully functional setup with 4 PIC-101N meter, each reading from an independent potentiometer. Questions. If you have any questions or would like to see this in a video format, or PDF? Let us know. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more electrical tutorials. Thank you for watching and have a great day.